Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Coach. So the first topic of my today's current affairs session is Asia Power Index 2020. India ranked at 4th position with a score of 39.7 out of 100 in the Asia Power Index 2020 released by Sydney-based Lowy Institute. The Asia Power Index 2020 ranks 26 countries and territories to assess the relative power in Asia. Now, what is Asia Power Index বা Asia Power Index to related কিহৰ লগত হয় আৰু কিহৰ ভিত্তিত বেছ কৰি কান্ট্ৰি বিলাকক ranking দিয়া হয় okay so the Asia Power Index is a analytical tool that ranks countries in terms of what they have and what they do with what they have resource and influence to have dominant power in Asia. So country বোৰ কি আছে বা সেইবোৰৰ দ্বাৰা তেওঁলোকে কি কৰিছে তেওঁলোকৰ কি ৰিসোৰ্স আৰু সেই ৰিসোৰ্স বোৰ ইনফ্লুয়েন্স বোৰ কি তাৰ দ্বাৰা কোনখন কান্ট্ৰিৰ কি ডমিনেন্ট আছে ওকে সো হেইটোৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি পেলাই কান্ট্ৰি বোৰক ranking দিয়া হয় এছিয়া পাৱাৰ ইনডেক্সৰ জৰিয়তে হেইটো কি কৰা হয় কান্ট্ৰিজ বিলাকৰ এনালাইসিস কৰা হয় যে তেওঁলোকৰ ৰিলেটিভ পাৱাৰটো এনালাইসিস কৰা হয় ওকে সো ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ৰেংক হৈছে এবাৰ 4th পজিশন আৰু এই যে ৰিপৰ্টটো ৰিলিজ কৰে সেই ৰিপৰ্টটো ৰিলিজ কৰিছে কোনে সিডনী বেস্ড লোৱে ইনষ্টিটিউটে Next topic is multimodal logistic park. On 20th October 2020, Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister for Road Transport Highways, MSMA virtually laid the foundation stone for the India's first multimodal logistic park, MMLP at Jogikopa in Assam. So, ekhon kod koribo Jogikopa, Assamot India's first multimodal logistic park konobo Jogikopa, Ohomor Jogikopa. This park will be developed under the Bharatmala Pariyojana of the Government of India. And this Bharatmala Pariyojana is a centrally sponsored and funded road and highways project. So Bharatmala Pariyojana to related hoy road and highways okay Bharatmala to thik teneke Sagarmala is related to waterways and the coastline. Third topic is India has been re-elected as the president of the International Solar Alliance. So India re-elect hoise president hisabe Indian International Solar Alliance or co-president hisabe elect hoise France. Okay, and both countries have elected for a period of 2 years. 2 years of kane elect kora hoy. So president hisabe India aru co-president hoise France. Next topic is International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is observed every year on 17 October throughout the world. আৰু এবাৰ 2020 যেটো theme আছিল eradication of poverty হেতু হৈছে acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. And these two issues, social and environmental justice, these two issues are inseparably intertwined. And social justice cannot be fully realized without aggressively rectifying environmental injustice at the same time. Next topic is India's hing cultivation project. India has started hing cultivation for the first time ever with an aim to become self-reliant in production of spices. CSIR ISBT Director Dr. Sanjay Kumar did the first ever plantation of hing in cold and dry regions of Lahual and Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. So India ever hing cultivation start korise for the first time. Jate ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে India spice production ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হ'ব পাৰে self reliant হ'ব পাৰে আৰু Himachal Pradesh Lahual আৰু Spiti Valley hing cultivation to for the first time কাৰণে India start কৰিছে okay আৰু hing cultivation কাৰণে region to হ'ব লাগে cold and dry region হ'ব লাগে okay so hing to আমাৰ India খুব পপুলাৰ হয় আৰু আমি কুকিং ৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ইউজ কৰো কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়াত আগতে এটো কাল্টিভেশন হোৱা নাছিলে okay আৰু ইন্ডিয়াই যেহেতু ইন্ডিয়াত কাল্টিভেশন হোৱা নাছিল কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়াত পপুলাৰ হয় আমি কুকিং ত হিং টু ইউজ কৰো গতিকে ইন্ডিয়াই ইম্পোৰ্ট কৰিছিল হিং okay so India import about 1200 tons of raw hing worth rupees 600 crore from Iran, Afghanistan and উজবেকিস্তান সো ইৰাণ আফগানিস্তান আৰু উজবেকিস্তানৰ পৰা ইণ্ডিয়াই হিং ইম্পৰ্ট কৰিছিলে ওকে সেইকাৰণে ইণ্ডিয়া এবাৰৰ পৰা নিজে ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে হিং কাল্টিভেশ্যন যাৰ দ্বাৰা ইণ্ডিয়া স্পাইচ প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত চেল্ফ ৰিলায়েণ্ট হ'ব পাৰে আৰু হিং প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে ৰিজনটো হ'ব লাগে কেনেকুৱা ৱেডাৰ লাগে কোল্ড আৰু ড্ৰাই ৰিজন লাগে আৰু লাহোৱাল আৰু হিমাচল প্ৰদেশৰ লাহোৱাল আৰু স্পিতি ভেলীত ফৰ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইমৰ কাৰণে এইবাৰ হিং কাল্টিভেশ্যন ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে Next topic is Wildlife Photographer of the Year Award. Aishwarya Sridhar, a 23-year-old Mumbai-based girl, has become the first Indian woman to win the 2020 Wildlife Photographer of the Year Award. আৰু তেওঁৰ যিখন ইমেজ আছিল সেই ইমেজখনৰ টাইটেল হৈছিল লাইট অফ পেশ্যন সো এইটো মনত ৰাখি দিছ ইজ আ ইমেজ and this is the 56th year of the prestigious award. Next is The Battle of Belonging on Nationalism, Patriotism and What It Means to be Indian. It is a name of a book and it is written by Shashi Tharoor and is due release by November 2020 and will be published by Elf Book Company. Next topic is also related to a book, The Little Book of Green Notches. United Nations Environmental Programme has launched a new publication, The Little Book of Green Notches, to inspire students around the globe to adopt environment-friendly habits and greener lifestyle. Okay, so UNEP, United Nations Programme, UNEP, United Nations Programme is the leading environmental authority in the United Nations system. It was founded in 1972 by Canadian businessman and philanthropist. His name was Maurice Strong. Okay, and he was the first director of UNEP. UNEP's mandate covers a wide range of areas, including the atmosphere, marine and terrestrial ecosystem, environmental governance, and green economic development. And last 30 years of UNEP mainly focus on climate change. So this topic is important for environment and ecology. Mr. Prime Minister, We Shrank the Dragon. It is a name of a book and it's written by Pradeep Gurha. So bookখনৰ নাম মনত ৰাখিব আৰু কোনে লিখিছে okay and this is his second book. Next topic is International Migration Outlook 2020. India ranked world number 2 in migration to OECD. India overtook Romania to emerge as the second largest source country. Migration from India to OECD countries increased sharply by 10% and reached 3.3 lakhs. So OECD full form to was Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. OECD is an intergovernmental economic organization with 37 member countries. 37 member countries আছে OECD. Okay, so member country বোৰ হৈছে Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Italy, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovenia, Spain এনেকে total আছে 37 member countries আছে OECD. Okay, so India emerged as the second largest source country both in terms of total inflow of new migrants inflow ক্ষেত্ৰটো হয় আৰু also as regards the number of Indians acquiring citizenship of these countries আৰু অকল যে migration inflow ক্ষেত্ৰতে India second largest source হিচাপে emerge এনেকুৱা নহয় Indians বিলাক OECD country citizenship acquiring or second largest source হিচাপে recognize কৰা হৈছে India. So India rank হৈছে world number 2. Okay. Our last topic is Agar International Trade Center. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal lays foundation stone for the Agar International Trade Center at Dabidubbi in Golaghat. So the place to na mone rakhibo je kot hobo ekon Dabidubbi Golaghator Dabidubbi. Okay, Agar is found primarily in Sibsagar, Soraideo, Dibrugarh, Jorhat and Golaghat district. So Agar to mainly kot pai Sibsagar pai, Soraideo pai, Dibrugarh pai, Jorhat aru Golaghat district pai. So this is for today. Thank you.